Is going to the Jungkook exhibition in Mumbai really worth it? If you're a K-pop fan but you're not in Mumbai, are you getting the FOMO that you should be in Mumbai for the first K-pop exhibition of an artist? Oh my god, I'm going to tell you everything that happened and everything that I saw. So it's happening in Bandra West, and pre-sale of the tickets on Book My Show was already up since a month ago. You could not only get the tickets but get exclusive merch too. Now what is in the exhibition and is it really worth 2K? Because that for Indian crowd is pretty much a big amount. This exhibition is explaining everything that Jungkook did in his album. From Standing Next to You to 3D to 7, everything behind the scenes, the outfits he wore, every music video is shown here. The showcase is for golden moments, basically celebrating Jungkook's achievement as an artist, his Spotify, Billboard Hot 100, and you know they just don't call him Golden Maknae like that. Now as a fan, should you really go? If you're a Jungkook bias, definitely. But if you're an OT7 stan, think again or maybe go with your friends. Now merch is starting 1500 up till 4000. I bought so much merch for me and my friends. I'm honestly having a guilt trip because I know my mom is going to yell at me, but I'm never going to get this merch again. So you live only once. The exhibition took me a total of 1 hour and I'm including the entire experience. I saw all the videos played inside from start to finish. I cleared every room before stepping into the next room. And if you want a guide on what to expect, this is the channel for you. There are rules and a whole map to this place. Once you enter, you cannot go back to the same room. You have to come at your specific time slot, otherwise they will not let you enter later. Half an hour is fine, but after 1 hour, total no-no. The crowd for day one was pretty mid. I thought it would be completely sold out, but I think it has to do with the ticket prices and people don't really know what to expect from this exhibition. I'm going to be covering more of this exhibition, so keep following for more. I'm also going to break down the cost by cost analysis and everything that I spent for this exhibition. Overall, the location, the price, the tickets, and whatever I saw, I would rate it a solid 7.